I'm going to review this gun I just got. This is it. This is not an unboxing, I've already opened it, but this is the box it comes in. It's this thing. Pretty cool box. So go ahead and open this up. See, I've already opened it. This is the gun. It came with these too. And so you can see the colors that I went with. I'm going to go ahead and review it and shoot it a bit. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. That was a good hit. I'll go ahead and shoot that guy too. Woo! Alright, this thing is super fun. I got this one, oh, that's it. It doesn't lock back, by the way. This is actually a safety, not a slide lock. Sometimes it will randomly lock back, but right now I'm holding it with my finger. It doesn't lock back on empty, which this magazine is empty. It holds 17 BBs. Let's see. I bought these with it too. And so altogether for 5,100 rounds, and this gun with the shipping was $33.10 for what it's worth. So I'm going to go ahead and load this up and shoot it some more with the BBs I got for it. Those were different BBs I was shooting. And these are pretty nice. I haven't seen any major issues so far. Nothing bad with them. They don't have like weird bumps or BBs that have to be thrown out. Some of them do have like lower quality BBs. But these are good. Good quality. Oops. I guess we got a couple extra. Let's see. Safety. So there's like 17 plus 1. Oh, I missed. That's kind of hard to hit there. Trying too hard. Come on. Also, you can do the hammer by itself. And another interesting thing about this gun is you can't decock it. There we go. Like once I've pulled this back, there's no way to, it has some kind of disconnect feature. So you can't really properly decock it, like halfway decocks, but not really. So once you charge it, you really gotta shoot it. I don't usually store these guns with their main spring back. It's probably... What do I know though? I'm not like an engineer. I'm actually in a horrible shot right now. Maybe just glancing off the edges. There we go. It's fairly accurate, but the sights aren't perfectly calibrated. Also, if you put, I'm not going to do it for this video, but you can put stuff on this accessory rail and it will change the point of impact. It actually, when I put some heavy flashlights on this rail, it made it so it was closer to where the sights are, because this one shoots a bit high and right. But a lot of that, or a high and left, and a lot of that left is me. And the high is probably the hop up. but not that much. Some of this is just the gun, because I have other guns that shoot on point to their sights. Now you can see I can consistently hit that silver coin. It's not sideways anyway. Alright, last round. Oh, I missed. Oh well. So that's it. That's the review. I really like this gun. It's very aesthetic. It's very nice to look at. I mean, I even like the little sticker on the bottom. It's like a blank marked Beretta with this fancy compensator. You've probably seen some similar guns in different movies. Super kick-ass. This gun is really fun. I'm going to shoot it with left-handed actually. Since I've gone to the trouble of setting up these cameras for this review, let's shoot some left-handed. And just because it's fun. Like, I've been shooting the crap out of this gun without videoing it. It's just fun. Like, you don't have to get into all this, you know, for lack of better word, self-aware grandstanding. These are Lancer Tactical. I got this from Airsoft GI for what it's worth. They had better shipping and better prices. Like I said, and I had a deal. I didn't even know I had like some $5 off coupon or whatever. So that's why I was able to get this so cheap. Like, delivered this gun and 5,100 BBs for $33.10. Super cool. I've just been having so much fun lately. I want to get into doing more Airsoft reviews because I just really enjoy Airsoft. Alright, what were we doing? Left-handed? There we go. That 17 rounds is nice. You get a lot of shooting with 17 rounds. A lot of these Airsoft guns I have hold like 13 rounds or 9 rounds or 11 rounds or something. 16 on one. But 17 is, you can really shoot for a while. I mean, if you notice, I did top the magazine off just because I have these loose BBs floating around, so you're going to shoot nice. Fire a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to tell if I'm hitting the targets or being deflected from grazing shots, but I just really have to hit them square on to get a nice good sound out of it. Let's do some two-handed. Let's do like a tactical reload. And I'm just doing that by holding my finger. You know, once again, this is just a safety. I haven't tried taking it apart or anything. So now I'm doing two-handed. There we go. Let's do two-handed with the left trigger. Hey! How about that? Oh yeah, I wasn't trying that hard. It's always me. It's never the gun. Like at this kind of range, I mean, it would be nice if the sights were calibrated, but that's okay. I don't even know if this is in frame. Maybe I should do something like this. These are bigger targets too, so it's... Oh, and I just, right as I was... Oh, it's easy to hit them, I missed. How could I miss something like that? There we go. What do we have? That was it. That was the last round. Okay, this is great. What a perfect time to stop. Right at this, that hit on the coin. Okay. Cool. Badass. All right. HFC. HFC 118. I'm not going to get in a particular model. You have to look it up. But it's a HFC copy of a Beretta. Very fun. All right. That's my review. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Have a good day.